after RJD's Parivartan attack, Union Minister Anurag Thakur has attacked India Bloc over its manifesto. He has questioned what kind of alliance is this where manifestos are released in pieces. Let's listen in to what he had to say.
ये तो कैसा गठबंधन है? गठबंधन की रैली होती है तो जो राजनीति में नहीं वो महिला आकर घोषणा कर देती हैं 6 गारंटी की। उनका काम केवल इतना है, वो कट्टर बेईमान अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की धर्मपत्नी है, किसी पद पर नहीं। लेकिन वो गठबंधन की रैली में अपना गारंटी देकर चले जाती है। ममता बनर्जी जी अपना घोषणा पत्र लेकर आ जाती है। अब लालू प्रसाद यादव जी, तेजस्वी जी अपना घोषणा पत्र लेकर आ जाते हैं। अरे टुकड़ों टुकड़ों में घोषणा पत्र आ रहा है। ये कैसा गठबंधन है? ये तो टुकड़े टुकड़े गैंग का गठबंधन है। ये टुकड़े टुकड़े गैंग है। पहले कांग्रेस में टुकड़े टुकड़े गैंग आई, अब गठबंधन के टुकड़े टुकड़े गैंग में टुकड़े टुकड़े ने गठबंधन बनाया। अब टुकड़ों टुकड़ों में इनका घोषणा पत्र आ रहा है। न इनकी सोच एक है, न इनका नेता एक है, न इनकी नीयत एक है, और नीयत में खोट तो साफ नजर आता ही है। ये टुकड़े टुकड़े गैंग के सदस्य हैं। टुकड़ों टुकड़ों में इनका घोषणा पत्र आ रहा है। भारत के टुकड़े टुकड़ों में सोच इनकी सामने नजर आती है। और मैंने पहले भी पूछा था राहुल गांधी जी से, किस टुकड़े पर आप राज करना चाहते हो देश को?
Mehendi Garg is joining us for more details on this story. Mehendi, Anurag Thakur reacting to the RJD's manifesto release. What has he said?
Well, yes, so there big developments have been happening during the upcoming Lok Sabha elections, and Anurag Thakur has taken a drive at the India Alliance and the manifestos that have been released by the different parties of the India Alliance, in which he has related the manifestos of the India Bloc with the Tukre Tukre gang. He has said in the press conference, while addressing the press conference, that this alliance is equal to the Tukre Tukre gang, and due to that, their manifesto is also being released in pieces. So big allegations have been made by Anurag Thakur over the release of these manifestos, because later only the manifesto have been released by Mamta Banerjee, on which he has taken a drive. Then after that, Samajwadi Party's leader Akhilesh Yadav announced his manifesto, and after that Congress has released their manifesto. So India Alliance has been releasing their manifesto, but Bharatiya Janata Party is in an attacking mode, and in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections they are very much ready, and they are upcoming with the Nara of 400 Par. So they are taking a drive and commenting and making allegations on the Congress's manifesto as well as the manifesto.
Well, interestingly, this comes even as the BJP is all set to release its manifesto sometime tomorrow, isn't it, Mehendi?
Well, yes, today the speculations are very much high that BJP will be releasing their manifesto as soon as possible, and the tentative date that we can decide, and according to the sources we are getting, that tomorrow Bharatiya Janata Party can release the big manifesto for the 2024 upcoming elections.
Mehendi, clearly, of course, interestingly, this comment by Anurag Thakur comes on a day when the RJD released their manifesto in the morning. Has the India Alliance responded to the Union Minister's statement just yet?
As of now, Uday, we cannot see such replies from the India Bloc leaders, but these allegations are very big.
All right, Mehendi, thank you for joining us with those details.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.